Well, guys, got my first fish of the season. little smallmouth. Caught him on a, well, it was a chartreuse Barbie Garland shad, and I dyed it with some red on just the front part and left the back part chartreuse. And he come up out of a rock and just whacked it a good one. I'm using a little old 2.5 foot pole with a Shakespeare trigger type reel. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken one of these chartreuse. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's, oh yeah, you can see it. The sun's pretty bright today, but it's kind of got some pearl in it. And what I've done is I've taken that and I've dipped. Now this is orange. I dipped it in orange dye up to about where the tail thins out. Here's the one that I caught the little bass on. Now this is red, that one was orange. And I'm using a 32nd ounce jig head. I'm going to change things up though. I'm going to put this orange one on, and I think I might use a 16th ounce jig head with a spinner. Let's see how that works. Okay, so what I've done is I put the one that I dyed orange, I switched from a 32nd ounce jig head to a 16th ounce jig head, and then like I think it's an aught spinner or a number 1 spinner on it, and we're going to try that out, see if I don't increase my odds. All right, guys, so got a little rock bass on that combination with that jig and spinner. He's not very big, but he's a fish. Well, guys, got me another one. This one's a little bit better. I'm not really too sure about this 2.5 foot pole with this Bass Pro tiny light reel with the trigger, but hey, I'm catching fish. That seems to be a pretty good combination. Now that dye, it's orange dye, and it's got kind of a garlic smell, which it will really smell up your tackle box, but apparently it's working on these rock bass. When I done that, I was just experimenting. I thought, boy, I really like that. The first one was red, and it's supposed to be shad flavored or something. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna get this fish off here. Yeah, guys, right here's the dye I'm using. There's the color. Garlic bread scented. Dyeing the fish. There's a dogwood tree in bloom. Oh, the Ozark Mountains are so pretty. What do you think, Sam? Think the Ozark Mountains are pretty?
Yeah, and I'm not catching anything, so.
Well, Sam might have caught more if he hadn't had that purple rod. Maybe if it was black or something. I don't know.